Types of trend line. There are two types of a trend line. The first one is uptrend and the second one is downtrend. Uptrend. How we are going to draw an uptrend. Look out for swing lows on the chart. Like there's an example of the chart. These candles are swing lows on that chart. What are we going to do? We are going to connect the lows of the swing to form a straight line. What we are going to do, we are going to connect the lows of swing to form a straight line lows, and not the period close. Trend line must have, and not the period close. Okay, and trend lines must have at least 3 points of contact, like this one. This is 2 points of contact, and this one is 1, 2, 3. We are going to count this contact as 1, and this is the third one. And uptrend indicates bullish momentum, more buyers than sellers. And now let's draw some trend lines, like upper trend line or uptrend line or downtrend line. We are going to use trend line tool. This is connecting the swing highs and the swing lows. Okay, this is an uptrend. The minimum number of swing lows contact must be 3. Okay, and let's find another one. Okay, let's see this one. This one is also an uptrend line, and let's make this small. This one also is another one. This one is an uptrend. This is another uptrend. Okay, this is another uptrend connecting the lower swings of the chart. This one also is another uptrend. Okay, this is how we draw uptrend. We are going to connect the lower lows of the candles or lower lows of charts, and we are going to use different time frame. This time we are going to use 4-hour time frame, and we can see there's another uptrend, and this one is another uptrend. And if you look closer, you can see another uptrend like this one, or this one. No, this one is not, there isn't 3 contacts of swing lows. Let's use 2-hour time frame. Look at this uptrend, and we are going to talk about another thing in uptrend. Okay, what we meant by uptrend is higher highs and higher lows. Okay, let's see the movement of 2021. Okay, we are going to use this uptrend for example, or this one. We are going to use this one. Look at this point, okay, and this point. This point in our uptrend line is called higher highs, okay, and this lower swing is called higher low. The next higher high must be greater than the previous higher high, like this point, okay, or this point. Actually, this point is our new higher high, and higher low must be greater, the new higher low must be greater than the previous one. Look at the price, okay, let's choose this one and this one. Look, our current higher low is 54k and the previous higher low was 41k. And let's look at the previous higher high and the new higher high. The previous higher high was 47k and the new higher high is 57k, and this is this one here is new higher high, this is a new higher high, and this is a new higher low. And let's see another one and choose this. This is a higher low, this is our higher high, and creating another higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. And let's see the price of those higher high and higher lows. This is higher lows price, okay. Let me delete this one, okay. The first higher low was 29k and the second higher low was 37k. The third one was 44k and the last higher low was 47k. And this time we are going to choose the higher highs to see the price if the new higher high has a bigger value or a higher price than the previous one. Of course, the newest or the latest higher high has a higher value than the two previous one, okay. This is higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, okay. And let's see what was the rules or the things about. And we said that it's not a random drawing on the chart, as we saw that trend lines are connecting the low swings or the high swings together. And we said that the trend line provide guidelines for a price, like we are thinking about if this price from this point to this point to this higher low, if this trend line could hold this price and this price couldn't break this trend line, that's why we say trend line acts as support or resistance. In this case, in uptrend, trend lines acts as a support. We know that if this trend line hold or held the price and the price couldn't break this trend line, then we are going to see another higher high a bigger move and a higher price than our first higher high. Okay, as we seen it, and after that we know that the price must touch or retest the trend line again and form it another higher low. As we said before, if the trend line could hold the price, we are going to see another higher high. At this time the price couldn't help this price, and we didn't see another higher high. You might say, what about this? This is higher than this one. Then I'm going to show you another thing, because you are right. But first we were talking about this trend line, and you are saying, why is this price is higher than? Because it was formed from another trend line like this one. This higher high is for this trend line, for this upper trend, not this one. And the degree of the slope indicates the strength of the trend line. Let's draw a circle, and perhaps let's draw some trend lines. This, all of them is upper trend line. Okay, this one, the most slopest one of them, is the strongest, and this one is stronger than. This is strong, this is stronger, this is stronger, this is stronger, this is stronger. We can say, if we choose the 90, it is impossible to form a 90-degree trend lines, because we said it is a sloppy. But from zero, not zero, let's choose from 2 to 85 angle downtrend. Look out for swing highs on the chart.